Hey babes, welcome back to Veauty. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So as you guys can see, I don't have them done. So I will be showing you guys how I do them, how I fill them in, and how I shape them. We all do them different. So like I said, this is how I do my eyebrows. So what I use for my eyebrows is I use the chocolate pomade. I use the brow gel. It's like powders for the eyebrows. My foundation and eyebrow pencils. And toallita. I literally got this from the dollar store. You can get them from anywhere, any kind of toallitas, just to have better control of your product. And yes, please keep watching. So first, I get my product. I start from I outline my eyebrow first, so just like this. I bring it up a little bit up just so I don't have a really hard line. Just like that. And then I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like chunky there. I like just bringing it up. And then I go in back with my pomade. And then I start the top. I start outlining the top of my eyebrow. When I get a lot of product on my eyebrow pencil, I like just cleaning it out. That's why I like having a wiping. And then same thing to the other eyebrow. So you want to outline it however you like your shape, however you like your eyebrows. So I don't like mine too fat, too high, or too thin. So I really just go with what I have. So once I have it outlined, I go in with the brow gel. It's just my fill-in powders. And I'm gonna use this one. So I like using my light shade to my darker shade. So we're gonna go in with my light shade to start filling in the eyebrow. Fill it in. And as I'm going towards the end of my eyebrow, I like going darker. So like common sense. The front lighter, the medium in the middle, and then darker towards the end. If I mess up or whatever, I go in with my foundation. I really just fill it in, outline it, that's it. So as you guys can see, already the difference, the power of makeup. So same thing to the other eyebrow. I go in with my pomade. I clean out the brush so I have better control of my product. Same thing, we're gonna start outlining. So from the front to the back, just like that. We're gonna grab more product. As you guys can see, I don't start all the way at the front. I start a little bit on the back of the eyebrow to outline it. And then I make my curve. Just like that. I keep cleaning out my brush just to have better control. And also the wipey helps me a lot with, since it's kind of like damp, and if it's hard or whatever, it makes it like lo hace más aguadito. So we're still just shaping the eyebrow however you like your eyebrows. And then again with lighter to darker. Babes, let me know how you guys like this whole like if you guys can see how I do my makeup and everything, or if you guys would like a close-up as I'm doing my makeup. So we're just filling it in. Your hair color too. Like if your hair is black, you're not gonna use a super light brown color for your eyebrows. You have to match it to your hair color at least a little bit. And if you feel like they're too too pintadas from the front, just go in with the brush and just comb it up. And then this is what I mean. I go in with like here or like on the top or on the bottom. I like going in with my foundation, which is I use the Fit Me Matte Poreless. I have very oily skin, and I think this one, I like this one so far. I grab some product and then I go over it. I go over any mistake I feel I made. Same thing to the other eyebrow. I know you guys are probably like, that's it? Yes, that's it. Es lo único que hago with my eyebrows all the time. And then with my fingers, I like just tapping it just to get rid of that extra product. So this is the final result of me showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Super quick, super easy. I don't do the extra steps, that's just me. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on my next video. And don't forget, always stay beautiful.